Hi guys, you're watching Sabi Ricky vlog and this is me Sabi. Today we are going to learn some easy but effective tips and tricks to keep your kitchen clean. So without much unnecessary talks, let's get into the video. Point number 1. Discharging food waste. Peeled waste of vegetables and fruits need to be collected directly on a plate or bin. Place a garbage bag in your waste bin so that the bin can be kept clean for a longer duration. Never throw plastic into a food waste bin. If any waste is found on your sink, remove it immediately as it creates block on pipeline. Point number 2. Wash used items immediately. Chopping board and knife used for cutting food items need to be washed immediately. Also make sure mixer jar after use should be washed using liquid so that any food remaining does not stick into the jar and also odor can be removed. A habit of washing the dirty dishes before going to bed needs to be included in your routine. Point number 3. Place back to their designated place. As soon as you complete your cooking, place back all the spice containers and other items to its place. This can be done during small intervals you get in between cooking. By doing so, you can save a lot of time searching containers at the time of cooking. Point number 4. Wipe surfaces. Wipe the areas where you have contact with oil dispensers, spice containers, fridge handle, drawers and cupboard handles, etc. There are chances that spices, oil, etc. accumulates on these areas and makes it dim. Point number 5. Rinse and dry. Sponge pads and scrubbers need to be cleaned and kept dry, as bacteria get accumulated on it if kept wet. Likewise, sponge wipes and cleaning clothes need to be washed after use and leave for drying. Always make sure that washed utensils are dried using a cloth before placing it back into the cabinets. Point number 6. Some don'ts in kitchen. Never leave the tea strainer on sink as it can get contaminated and create stains which is hard to remove later. Mineral water bottles need to be thrown after use. You should not reuse it to store water as it may lead to various health hazards. Similarly, you should never opt steel scrubbers to clean your non-stick pans. This will remove the coating of your pan. Point number 7. Must-dos in kitchen. Place liners or table mats on cabinets and fridge shelves. In this way, dust gets accumulated and you don't need to clean the whole area frequently. Spreading a kitchen towel while rolling chapati can be helpful for cleaning the area easily. Place a kitchen towel near the workspace will help you dry your hands. A floor mat under your kitchen sink will remove water spills into the floor at the time of washing utensils. Point number 8. Wipe down the counters, stove and workspace. Always clean the counters, stove and workspace immediately after cooking. As these places are used frequently, bacteria and funguses gets accumulated here. Hence, make sure that a disinfectant solution is used at the time of cleaning. If you prefer natural solutions, vinegar with salt and baking soda is a good solution. Point number 9. Clean spillages immediately. Any spillages like oil, spices, flour, batter, etc. should be cleaned immediately.